Here I'm showing off as my brother's Panasonic MC-UG223 upright vacuum. They've had this new since 2018. They bought it during the summer from Amazon for less than 100 if I recall correctly. It replaced their yellow Carpet Pro CPU1 because the motor went bad in it. So, being on the budget, they were looking for the best inexpensive vacuum that they can get. And this is what I recommended to them because, in my opinion, this was the best budget upright that you could have gotten at the time. But of course, this was a couple years after Panasonic had left the vacuum cleaner market, but still had plenty of these left in the warehouse and even vacuum stores as well. So, anyways, it's not much special. It's just a basic Panasonic where you just have your switch on the side here. You have your cheap molded plastic handle on the top. There's no height adjustment. The brusher and bottom plate are not metal, and you do need a screwdriver to get in to change a belt on this. Doesn't have that many layers of filtration. It just has the bag and the electrostatic filters inside. But it's a very good basic vacuum for what it is. I mean, being a Panasonic nut myself and being enthusiastic by their designs and how they function, I mean, this is just one of my favorites ever. So, the only issue is that the wand holder for this broke. This is, I think I will say that it's a design flaw because I've seen many people break these off easily. That would have never happened in my case because I take the best care of my machines, but unfortunately my sister-in-law isn't really the best at caring for her stuff because, as you can see, there's paint marks and even there's some tears on the cord as well. But at least the crevice stool is still intact, and they did find a way to at least put the dusting brush on. And another thing about this Panasonic is that it does not have the door to open out to either put an extension hose or to clear out any clogs, but it does, however, have a bypass valve to where if this vacuum were to get clogged or the bag was full, that would open up and allow air to still run through the motor so that it doesn't get very hot. And of course, you got your info right there. I prefer Panasonics that actually have a handle release pedal. I mean, this is still fine for what it is, but it's just not my cup of joe, honestly. And if I really wanted one of these, I would prefer to have something with a manual height adjuster. But again, I would say that this is a good vacuum for what it is. Definitely better than that piece of junk Shark that they also have. But other than that, I'll just go ahead and give you guys a demo of it. And also another issue with this machine is that the headlight is burnt out, so you will not be able to see that. This on. So there you have it, and thanks for watching.